How are we doing? Welcome back to Dave's Details for the Matrix Martial Arts YouTube channel. Today, this one is probably going to be a very, very short one. Today is literally our ready positions. That's it. Okay, we've got 3. But it's about what your hands are doing, what your feet are doing, when we're being ready to do our stuff. Okay? So, 1, rest. Okay, rest for rest. Feet under shoulders. You get used to this idea, yeah? When we talk about stances, about feet under shoulders. Okay, hands behind back, standing up straight, but kind of chilled, make sure you're listening, that kind of stuff. Easy peasy. 2, Charyot. Or, if you're in our Little Dragons syllabus, set. Yeah, we go with English for the Little Dragons, and we go for Korean with in the main syllabus. Yeah, so set, Charyot, same thing. Feet come together, hands at sides. Okay? Now, the little detail I want to highlight for the Charyot position for us is it's not a big wavy to do. Okay, you're not trying to make as much noise as possible. Okay, so from your rest, you'll sort of go into here, and your hands just come in. That's as much as we need, yeah? The kids find it hilarious if you're sort of going, wow, yeah? You're not trying to be some big flappy penguin or anything, okay? Just keep it real simple, okay? So from your rest, you'll come in, get your hands in, bow for that, easy peasy, okay? Just make it neat. But you're standing up straight, feet together, most of all, toes touching, yeah? We don't want you standing literally like your toes out, but when we say toes together, that doesn't then mean that you've got to try and point your heels behind, yeah? Just put your feet together, get your toes next to each other, hands in. That's it, just stand up straight, look where you're going, try not to move, okay? We like this as a good concentration position, okay? Then the one after that is your Chum-Bi. Even the dragons learn this as Chum-Bi, okay, which is, you usually set bow. When you then step out into Chum-Bi, again, you go back out the way you came, hands come up, hands go down, okay? They just come up and fix. Soft elbows, same as we have for our down dots, so we're not trying to lock them out as straight as we can. It's not out here, it's not up here, it's not sitting on our legs because we're feeling lazy and kind of like a zombie, yeah? We just like to keep it neat, okay? So for all 3, you'll go from a rest, just chilling, listening, standing up straight at least, set position, one foot comes in, you have your bow, stand up straight, and then that same foot, come back out, okay? Generally speaking, again, because left foot is dominant for what we do, you always step with your left, you know, things like that. You always go on your left, etc. For me, you know, your left should be the one that moves. Get used to it. Get used to using your left for everything. It makes your life so much simpler across the board for what we do. Okay? If you want right, you'll bow in, you'll get to your rest position, so your left foot in for that bow, and then left foot back out for this. Keep it symmetrical, keep it the same. Keep your life real, real simple. But like I say, these movements don't need to be massive. Okay, so when you do your Charyot, your set positions, it's not this. You look an idiot. Okay, and the same for your Chum-Bi. Okay, so when you step back out, it comes up a bit, you fix. So you're strong and you're ready. You're not doing that. Yeah, it looks ridiculous. And there are, again, you're on YouTube now anyways, it is. So, yeah, go on YouTube, look at sort of these, like some of these really weird ones, people doing demonstrations, and you watch the people that are world class, and they're very controlled, they are very deliberate, they are very clean cut, they look fantastic, okay? And then you've got the ones that you just kind of scratch your head a bit, so they're going, well this, and it doesn't really fit with anything in traditional martial arts at all. Okay, it looks really strange. Okay, so keep yourself very, very controlled, very composed, because that's part of what martial arts is. Okay, so stand up straight for your rests, neat for your sets and your bows, and then neat for your Chum-Bis. Yeah? That's it for today. Just ready position so you're not completely over-egging it. And then the next one I haven't decided on, so we'll figure that out later. Have fun. See you again. Bye.